How to fix Zee5 app black screen problem. So please watch the full video. So first of all, long press on Zee5 app, then tap on app info. Now tap on storage usage, tap clear cache, also clear data, and OK. Now clear cache and data has been cleared, so close this. Go to Play Store. If you are iPhone user, then go to App Store, search for Zee5, and update the app from here if update available. So this will fix your issue.